Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today's project is frame connectors. Yeah, I just got done bolting this one in. You had to lower the spring pocket, and it just sits underneath of it and bolts right in. Yeah, fairly easy. You just get a new bolt, and yeah, took me like an hour to wiggle it in there. Everything's nice and oily. We just got to do the next one. It's over on that side. Over there, you can see at the one end where it slides in to the Camaro half frame rubber, and at the back there's that piece you can see where it goes up into the spring pocket. Yeah, leaf spring pocket. Just like that. Yeah, just goes right underneath it, and you just,
the other one in.
Yeah. I'll just show you there. It slides up underneath that rubber. I put new rubbers in a few years back, but yeah, just slides up in there. Easy peasy. You can bolt it, they say, if you want to, up through the sides there.
All the way through and weld it.
But I may just weld it, but I'm not sure. Anyways, just a quick video for my reference. Today's project. Now we just got to do that one, and it'll hook in on the frame rail, back, and at the front. Just a shout out, just saying hello to a few people. How's it going, Phil? Yeah, Phil from Florida, always commenting. We do enjoy it. Alright guys, we're getting there. Like, share, subscribe, and take care. Honey, shut up.